Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to reset your PC or laptop. There can be a few reasons behind this error. The most common causes are Windows system file corruption or the Windows recovery environment being disabled on your system. To fix this, let's try enabling it again. Go to Windows search bar and type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Once it's open, type the command reagency /disable and press enter. This will disable the recovery environment. Now, to enable it again, simply type reagency /enable and press enter. After disabling and then re-enabling it, check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this will fix the problem and allow your Windows reset option to work properly. If this method doesn't work, then you can try next method. Open command prompt as administrator again and type the command SFC /Scannow and press enter. This command will scan your system for any corrupted Windows files and automatically repair them. It may take some time to reach 100%, so please be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a message indicating whether any corruption was found and repaired. After that, type the next command DISM /online /cleanup image /RestoreHealth. This command will also run up to 100% and may take some time, so be patient. I'll include both commands in the description box so you can simply copy and paste them directly. When the scan finishes, restart your PC and try resetting it again. This should fix your issue. If the problem still isn't resolved, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then System, and click on Recovery option. Then in Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now button. This will restart your PC and take you an Advanced Startup screen. Once it boots up, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Startup Repair. Windows will then try to fix things automatically for you. If Startup Repair doesn't work, you will also have the option to reset your PC, either keeping your files or removing everything. And if none of these solutions work, the final option is to create a Windows bootable USB drive and reinstall Windows fresh on your PC or laptop. And that's it for this video. I hope it helps you fix the reset issue. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.